Hi everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to see the deleted messages on your iPhone. So at first you have to open the Messages app, and yes, this process is quite easy. At first we need to tap these three lines in the top right corner and tap Recently Deleted. Here, as you can see, we can enter the 6 messages with John and Marek. Tap them, tap Recover. To see them, we have to recover them. And now enter these conversations in the messages. Here, as you can see, they have hi, 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 hey, hey, testing, hello. These are the messages that were deleted. Here we have messages saying failure. Yes, but these were the deleted messages. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.